A program was held on the occasion of Prime Minister Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana on Tuesday. MLA Paul Dangshu, Monu Block Vice Chairman Pranoy Debbarma, Electric Department DGM and others were present. On this day, the program was organized at the Longtharai Valley, Dalai District, Tripura, Manu Electric Office. MLA Paul Dangshu addressed his speech at the program.
Ini orang campus PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana rooftop solar. Abo kaisa belai kaham initiative nazamani government itu abo nini especially abni engkongka motive engka solar emission carbon emission jeta engko carbon emission komirnan bagai pollution ni hoite basirna ni bagai abo kaisa schemes nazamani abo rooftop solar panel dan as per your consumption naiman abo engkai abo nini motamuti more than 60% nini electricity bill pasirna as per tabung je sadamani tei engkai ang arch khayo norok ni through tei je chini public jara chini huge electricity consume khane rok especially borok jara poultry farm khane rok jara domestic jara thongoi motamuti borok ni bill kabang phayo aba herok borok obono installation khaikang kai belai no kahamne oboni hote domestic na khamne netawa obo subsidy bo mano যেমন 1 kilowatt na khani expenditure thanai 75000 ngai naro 33000 hai nang ko mannai ni subsidy mannai gabo kaisa belai kaham initiative na jamani ani loge jara officials tawnai robor kaham kino brief kai sai kana mannai obo amagai ang noruk ni kruti koine je chini oro jara mono division ni under tawnai ro ba whole state jara tawnai ro borok ono implement khaitung jar nogo norok dapti registration khaje of facility no nanang
Bureau Report Chini Khorang.